like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength, now I'm the only one.
Hi guys, my name is Glory and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieve this jumbo braiding using braiding hair. I use Ecogel styler, and in my spray bottle I put water and leave-in conditioner. To make things easy, I divide my hair into two sections. Then I start to work with front section, and in back section I use my finger to divide into small section. Then I apply gel. This technique is going to let your hair get enough gel, and when you brush it, your hair will really slick down.
Only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules, my life destroyed. A life destroyed. Until I woke awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero.
After I finish to apply gel on my hair, I use Scaff to cover my hair for 1 hour. Then I use 2 pieces braiding hair color 2 and hair band. Then I tie them together. And I take off my scarf. As you can see, my hair behaves very well. My hair does not let me down. I use rubber band to tie my band to make it smaller. And in order to attach my braiding hair to my natural hair, I take the hair band and attach it on my natural hair. Then slowly I detangle my braiding hair to make it easy to braiding, and slowly I start to braid all the way down.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength, now I'm the only one. Only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules, my life destroyed. A life destroyed.
I use rubber band to tie the end, and I turn my ponytail braiding to other side, and I use bobby pin, and I make sure I cover my natural hair. And this is how this style look like.
Can I be your superhero? Superhero.
Style number 2 is easy as well, and I just wrap the ponytail braiding and I add bobby pin and I accessorize it. I'm done. This is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. I hope you guys enjoy and you love it. I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.